especially to you, ma'am. My name is Nurshida A. Butuan. So my topic is Box 23 Concepts in Occupational Health. Numerous concepts dealing with the interaction between work and health underpin occupational safety and health programmers. In relation to work, health does not merely mean the absence of disease or infirmity. It also includes the physical and mental elements affecting health, which are directly related to safety and hygiene at work. Sa occupational health, hindi lang simpleng walang sakit ang ibig sabihin ng health. Kasama dito ang physical at mental factors na konektado sa kaligtasan at kalinisan sa trabaho. Kaya ang goal ng occupational safety and health programs ay siguraduhing ligtas at maayos ang kalusugan ng mga tao habang nagtatrabaho. Occupational health practice a broad concept and includes occupational health services which are defined in Article 1 of Occupational Health Service Convention 1985 number 161. It involves activities for the protection and promotion of workers' health and for the improvement of working condition and environment carried out by occupational safety and health professionals as well as other specialists both within the enterprise and without, as well as workers and employers representatives and the competent authorities. Ang occupational health practice ay tungkol sa pag-aalaga at pagpapabuti ng kalusugan ng mga manggagawa. Kasama dito ang mga serbisyo at aktibidad na ginagawa ng mga eksperto gaya ng occupational safety and health professionals para tiyaking ligtas at maayos ang mga kondisyon sa trabaho. Ginagawa ito sa tulong ng mga manggagawa, employers at mga otoridad para protektahan ang kalusugan at kapakanan ng lahat. Occupational healthcare is another broad concept. It encompasses all the people and programmers directly or indirectly involved in making the work environment healthy and safe. It includes practical enterprise-level efforts aimed at achieving adequate occupational health, such as preventive healthcare, health promotion, curative healthcare, first aid, rehabilitation, and compensation, as well as strategies for prompt recovery and return to the work. Primary healthcare can also be considered as playing a part. Ang occupational healthcare ay tungkol sa lahat ng tao at programa na tumutulong para gawing ligtas at healthy ang trabaho. Kasama rito ang mga safety measures, medical support at efforts para maiwasan ang anumang sakuna o sakit sa workplace. Halimbawa ng occupational healthcare ay ang pagkakaroon ng mga health screening sa mga empleyado, pagbibigay ng first aid training sa mga staff at pagtutok sa tamang ventilation o safety equipment sa mga pabrika or construction site para maiwasan ang aksidente at sakit. Occupational health is about taking care of employees' health sa trabaho. Kasama dito ang preventive health care, health promotion treatment kapag may sakit, first aid, rehab, at compensation kung may injury. May focus din sa mabilis na recovery para makabalik agad sa trabaho. Kasama rin dito ang primary health care as part of the support. Occupational hygiene, sometimes also known as industrial hygiene, is the art and science of protecting workers' health through control of the work environment. It encompasses recognition and evaluation of those factors that may cause illness, lack of well-being, or discomfort among workers or the community. As a component of occupational safety and health efforts to improve working conditions, occupational hygiene focuses on three major areas. Occupational hygiene is all about keeping workers safe and healthy by managing the environment they work in. It involves identifying and assessing the risks that can cause sickness, discomfort, or affect well-being, not just for the workers but for the community too. This field uses science and practical solutions to prevent health issues in the workplace. In short, it's about making sure workplaces are safe for everyone. Halimbawa, sa isang construction site, ang occupational hygiene ay tinitiyak na ang mga manggagawa ay protektado mula sa mga hazardous materials tulad ng alikabok at chemical. Kung may mga panganib, ginagawa ang mga hakbang para maiwasan ang anumang epekto sa kanilang kalusugan. Occupational health services, recognition of the interrelation between environment and industry. It means understanding how the environment like air, space, and conditions interacts with the industry or work processes. Halimbawa, kung polluted ang air sa isang factory, pwede itong makaapekto sa kalusugan ng mga workers. Factors of the working environment that may impair health and well-being. Dito, tinitingnan kung ano yung mga bagay sa work environment na pwedeng makasama sa kalusugan ng mga empleyado. Halimbawa, kung madumi ang lugar, mataas ang ingay o masyadong mainit, lahat yan pwedeng magdulot ng problema sa kalusugan. The formation of recommendation for the alleviation of such problem. Kapag natukoy na yung mga problema, dito gumagawa ang mga rekomendasyon para matulungan ang mga workers. Halimbawa, maglagay ng air purifiers, ayusin ang ventilation, o magbigay ng protective equipment. Occupational safety and health management comprises the activities designed to facilitate the coordination and collaboration of workers and employers' representatives in the promotion of occupational safety and health in the workplace. Ang occupational safety and health management ay tungkol sa mga hakbang na ginagawa para mapabuti ang kaligtasan at kalusugan ng mga manggagawa. Kasama dito ang pagtutulungan ng mga kinatawan ng mga manggagawa at employers para masiguro ang maayos at ligtas na working environment. Layunin nito na protektahan ang mga empleyado at mapabuti ang kanilang kalagayan sa trabaho. Organization. Occupational health services can be organized to serve a single enterprise or a number of enterprises, depending on which type is more appropriate in terms of national conditions and practice. Similarly, this service may be organized by the enterprise or group of enterprises concerned. Ito yung mga kumpanya o negosyo na directly involved sa isang sitwasyon, proyekto o system. Parang sila yung pinaka-main player, the public authorities or official services. Ito naman yung mga government agencies o opisyal na serbisyo ng gobyerno na may mandato sa specific na aspeto. Social security institutions, sila yung mga ahensya na nagbibigay ng social benefits tulad ng SSS or GIS sa atin. Any other bodies authorized by the competent authority, mga ibang grupo o organisasyon na binigyan ng karapatan o authority ng tamang ahensya para kumilos. A combination of any of the above. Pwede rin silang magsanib puwersa o magtulungan kung kinakailangan. In the absence of a specific occupational health service, the competent authority may, as an interim measure, designate an appropriate existing service, for instance, a local medical service, to act as an occupational health service. Kung walang nakatakdang occupational health service, pwedeng mag-assign muna ang gobyerno ng isang existing na serbisyo tulad ng local medical clinic bilang pansamantalang occupational health service para ito masigurado na may access pa rin ang workers sa health support na kailangan nila. Those in an enterprise were establishing an occupational health service or providing access to such a service in impracticable, the competent authority should, after consulting the employers and workers representatives in the workplace or the safety and health committee, make provisional arrangements with a local medical service too. Carry out the health examinations prescribed by national laws or regulations. Ensure that first aid and emergency treatment and provide surveillance of the environmental health conditions in the workplace. Siguraduhing maayos ang health checkups na required ng batas para sa kalusugan ng employees. Magbigay ng agarang lunas at emergency care kung sakaling may mangyaring hindi inaasahan sa trabaho. Tiyaking ligtas at malinis ang workplace environment para maiwasan ang anumang health risk. Occupational health services should be made up of multidisciplinary teams whose composition should be determined by the nature of the duties performed. Ang occupational health services ay dapat binubuo ng team na may iba't ibang eksperto tulad ng health professionals, safety officers, o iba pa. Ang composition ng team na ito ay dapat i-adjust base sa klase ng trabaho at mga risk na involved. Ibig sabihin, kung anong uri ng trabaho ang ginagawa, ganun din dapat ka-flexible at kaangkop ang team na mag-aalaga sa kalusugan at kaligtasan ng mga empleyado. Functions. Basically, occupational health services aim to protect and promote the health of workers, improve working conditions at the working environment, and maintain the health of the enterprise as a whole. Box 24. Occupational health services focus on protecting and promoting the health of workers. It aims to improve working conditions, ensure a safer environment, and maintain the overall health of the company. In short, it's about making sure both the employees and the business stay healthy and safe. In order that they may perform their function efficiently, occupational health services should have unrestricted access to all workplaces and to the ancillary installation of the enterprise. Unrestricted access to all workplaces and installations. May karapatan kang pumasok at mag-access sa lahat ng areas ng kumpanya at mga kaugnay na pasilidad. Be able to inspect the workplace at appropriate intervals in cooperation where necessary with other service of the enterprise. Inspect workplaces with cooperation. Pwede mo inspeksyonin ang mga workplace at makipagtulungan sa ibang services ng kumpanya kung kinakailangan. Have access to information concerning the processes, performance standards, and substances, use or the use of which is contemplated. Access to information about processes and substances. May karapatan kang makita ang information tungkol sa mga proseso, performance standards, at mga ginagamit na substances o mga balak gamitin. Be authorized to request the competent authorities to ensure compliance with occupational safety and health standards. Request authorities to ensure safety standards. Pwede mong hilingin sa mga otoridad na siguraduhin nasusunod ang mga safety and health standards sa workplace. Be authorized to undertake or to request that approved technical bodies undertake. Request technical bodies for inspections. May karapatan kang humiling na magsagawa ng inspection o ipagawa ito sa mga otoridad technical bodies. Surveys and investigations on potential occupational health hazard, for example, eye sampling at analysis of the atmosphere of workplaces, of the products and substances used, or of any other material suspected of being harmful. So this is about conducting surveys and studies to check for any possible health risks in a workplace. Halimbawa, they might collect air samples from the area where people work, or even analyze the materials and products that are being used to make sure they're not harmful to health. Basically, it's like doing tests to make sure that nothing in the environment is putting the workers at risk.